Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about a platform called Tykr, which is the best investment helper for beginners. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can try out to get exclusive rewards and extended free trial on Tykr, so make sure to not miss out on this one. Now we are currently inside our platform and you can see if you are a stock market, or let's say you want to simply start with stock exchange and market, then this platform is going to be helping you as it has a lot of features for beginners. So currently I'm setting up my account. I have simply joined my web app, or basically the online website. I created my first watch list. It asked me a couple of questions and I answered it, and now it have created a custom watch list for me. Now in the stocks, I'm going to be able to see the stocks that I have already selected. So you can see now if you click on any of these, you will be able to see the detail about it as well, and you can already see the detail in here. Like for example, we have the score, MOS, the number of searches, so everything is written in detail in here. Now we also have ETFs, so if you head over to that on the left side of your screen, you will be able to see the listing for those. And those of you who are well aware about some stocks and the stock market are going to be well known about the ETFs. So basically these are also the subtype of some stocks. Now we also, it deals in crypto, so crypto is a big part nowadays, and creating a watch list for that and having a look on that is essential as well. You can see the BTC, Bitcoin current price, number of searches, market cap, and the chart up to 1 week. So it is giving you a nice demonstration for that as well. Various other crypto coins as well are available. So similarly we have a 4M confidence booster. You can simply, this is basically some add-on by the site that allows you for some other let's say features. So yeah guys, these are some of the options. Now if you want to try out the site for yourself as well, you can simply head over to the link in the description to simply get some exclusive rewards and extended free trails. So thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. See you in the next one.